In this video, I will show how to copy different multiple columns and paste them at once. So open your Microsoft Excel, then select any column like this one. So before click on this, now click on this clipboard. Here guys, you will see this clipboard icon. So click on it, clear all. Now select any column which you want to copy and paste and select and control C. Select another column, control C. Control C. So now we have these three copied selected columns. Now click on this plus icon. Now select any column and paste all. So this way we can copy and paste different column in just one click. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel. And another way, select F and click here. Select G and click here. H and click here. Like this. So thanks for watching.